In this video, I show you how to cast your Android phone screen to your PC. So let's get started. The first thing you have to do is come to your PC and then go to Settings. Once you're in Settings, just go to System, and over here scroll down and you'll find this option, Projecting to this PC. So select this, and here they've said that you have to add the wireless display optional feature to project to this PC. So just click on Optional Features. Over here, click on View Features. Then here, click on See Available Features. And over here, search for Wireless Display. It's this option. Just select it and click on Add. You will have to wait till it gets added. And as you can see, it has been added. So now go back to System. And here, scroll down. You'll see this option, Projecting to this PC. And here, for the first option, select Available Everywhere. And the other two are optional. So now the setup is ready from our PC. And now let's head over to our phone. So on your phone, you'll have to go to Quick Settings. Just swipe down. And then you'll see this option called Smart View if you have a Samsung phone. But if you have another phone, these are the names that you'll see. So the name will be different, but it works the same way. So here, I'll select Smart View. And one thing that you have to ensure that your PC and phone are both connected to the same Wi-Fi network. My laptop's name has come, so I'll click on it. Then click on Start Now. Here on my laptop, I've got this notification. I'll click on OK. And now my phone screen is getting cast to my PC. So this is how it works, and I'll see you in the next one. Goodbye.